Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are making chili mushroom fried rice. It's going to be a very quick recipe. Let me run you through the ingredients first. We have here cooked rice, mushrooms, salt and pepper, chili sauce, vinegar, soy sauce, ginger garlic, green chilies, onions and spring onions chopped. The exact quantities are provided in the description box. Please do have a look. Let's get started. So we've taken around 2 tablespoons of oil here guys, and we've heated it up. The first step now would be to add in the ginger garlic and green chilies all together. Be very sure we don't want these to brown up, so we will not saute them for a long time here. That's the key. And now we'll add in the onions. Once again, continue to mix everything. So we've been cooking this now for around 2 to 3 minutes guys in medium flame, and the onion is now a bit softer and you can see there's a nice color just about coming. And we'll just now add in the mushrooms. And continue to cook everything. We'll also add in some salt at this point, some of our chili sauce and vinegar. Once you've done that, just give everything a nice mix once again. After about 7 minutes guys, the mushroom has now nicely cooked, as you can see. So this would be a perfect time to add in the rice. And we are also going to add the soy sauce. And then mix everything well. We will also now add in just a little bit of sugar. Now this is a completely optional step guys, but it just enhances the flavor a bit, so we prefer adding it. And then also add in the spring onions and mix everything well. We are also going to add the pepper at this stage. And after mixing everything once again, we will just check the salt one more time. After mixing everything nicely guys, so the dish is completely ready now. It's ready to be served. Let's just go on to serving the dish. And there you see guys, our chili mushroom fried rice is now served. It just looks and smells brilliant. You can just top it up now with some additional spring onions if you wish. Just going to enhance the taste a little bit more. And there it is. Enjoy!